Keeping an off-grid homestead running means even the small jobs matter. Today, we're going to take control over this overgrown grass. Come join us. So if you guys are new here, my name is Marcus, and this is Living Lucky Off Grid. 4, 5, 6 months ago, I decided to buy some off-grid land, and now we're working on it. We started with prepping the ground for the drive. We started cutting a whole slew of trees, because most of my property, if you guys don't know, most of my property is actually, it's on, like, it's wooded. It's a big wooded forest area, so we cut a whole bunch of trees down. If you go back and watch some of my other videos, you'll see all the trees that we cut down. And we cut down trees for the plot area. We cut down all the trees for the drive, where we want the long drive to be. So at this point in time, we finally got the beginning of the driveway in. We got some gravel down. So now it's been 4 or 5 months, and it's the middle of the summertime. So today we're going to try to trim down, get some of this forestation down, because it's like it's everywhere. And so we want to try to calm this overgrown grass down some, especially before winter comes. So if we can clear as much out as we can, it'll be better. So join us today as we try to tame this beast of a yard or grass or whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna hop on that. Says right now it's me and my boys, but my wife. So in future episodes, you'll start to see my wife come on here, because she said she wants to not be camera shy anymore. So she comes on. Y'all better welcome her, because she's alright. She's pretty cool. All right, so let's get to work, guys. Me sitting here talking to you guys ain't gonna do a whole lot. So I got a lot of work to do today, and it is super hot outside. So I don't want to overheat myself or get dehydrated. So I did bring plenty of water and drinks. So let's get to work, guys. So guys, we went ahead and started with cutting these stumps down that's in the plot area. It was a lot of stumps out here. I don't know. See, we still got some more to cut down. We're going to try to cut down as many as we can. Some of the bigger ones is going to be a little hard, but you know, we got like that one we cut down. We still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 7 or 8 stumps left to cut down. That's what we're doing now. So man, only if I could afford like a bush hog coming back here and just grinding, or a big ass stump grinder to grind these things down, it would have been so much easier. But fortunately, I got to do it the hard way, because I don't have the money right now. I mean, but I got a chainsaw, and I can cut them as flat as I can, pour some gas on it. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I brought my gas can. We're gonna kill them. We're gonna get them killed.
I have no clue.
So it's all right. Let's get these other stumps cut down, guys. Shoo! It's hot, guys. But I ran out of bar and chain oil, so on to the next project, I guess, right? If you don't know, my new weed eater, it is a new DeWalt powered brushless trimmer. I think I like it because I don't have to have no gas, no oil, and it starts right up. I don't got to crank it and prime it, none of that stuff. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. All right, so let's get to trimming this this monstrosity of grass. Let's go.
Hell yeah. It does, right?
All right, so guys, so this ain't gonna work. The grass is too thick and too big and hard. I'm actually gonna get a real lawnmower out here. I tried it with the weed eater. It's just not working. It's not working. Oh, it's always an issue, right? Right, but it's okay. It's okay. I need to get a lawnmower out here on the property anyway. Oh well. Let's keep going. All right, guys. So my camera cut off on me, but nevertheless, it is what it is. So it's hot out here, so my camera died from heat. But I got all of this cut. I got some of this cut. That right there by the tree, it is so thick that my weed eater is not going to cut it down. I gotta get something else. If you got any ideas, put it in the comments and I'll show you back here. So I don't know if y'all remember what it looked like before, but we got all of this cut down. All of this is cut. This is supposed to be the driveway. I got all of that cut. You can actually see the plot now. You can see it. It's good. Super good. It's all cut down. All that's cut down. All this is cut down. You couldn't even see that stump before that was sitting right there. It was 4 foot tall grass that was over it. But yeah, it looks good. It looks good. Looks so much better. I think we did a good job, guys. I mean, even this area got cleaned out really well, and you can see all my holes are still there. Yeah, so we got to get that done. There's still so much to do, guys, but I only can do so much because the funds ain't there. But you know, I'm enjoying. At the end of the day, I'm enjoying it. So, yep. So at the end of the day, I'm enjoying it, and I guess it doesn't really matter if I make a whole lot of money off of it or if I'm whatever. I'm enjoying. I own my own land. I can build whatever I want, and I get to do it with my kids and my family and my wife. I mean, what else could you ask for? And I mean, I think it's coming along good. So this is the land. We got it all clear today. We got the driveway all cleared and flat today. I got the front cleared and flat except for where all them big logs at. For some reason, it's causing those to grow really big, thick. I don't even know what you call them. Weeds or little mini trees. And it's eating my string up. It's not doing no damage to it. But yeah, I think we did good today. We got a lot of the stumps that was sitting on the plot. We got like 5 left to cut down, and it's a little bit bigger. But I got to go get some more chain and bar oil for my chainsaw, but I don't want to ruin it because it started acting a little dull and started getting a little hot. So, but we got to do that, and I think next we're going to try to get the mailbox installed next week. I think we can probably manage that. I got to get some more gravel. I mean, it's so much to do, guys. It's just so much, and I need all the support that I can get, so you guys can watch me do more stuff. And that would be fantastic, molastic. But yeah, thank you guys again. As always. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for the support and all the new followers that we got this last 2 weeks and a half. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys so much for joining Living Lucky family, and we hope to see you guys watching our videos. And we're excited to put out more content for you guys, and I'm excited for the future. You know, it's a new journey for me. So I guess I decided to kind of go full content creator, full time, and to kind of see where that road leads me. Since I don't see my previous video, See that I did lose my job. I got laid off. It wasn't that I wasn't doing my job correctly. The job is just it's going down under, and I mean it's part of life. Yeah, it's a lot of people losing their jobs right now because the financial stability of our government, I guess, ain't doing so well. Which, I mean, it is what it is. But I enjoy doing what I'm doing. I enjoy coming out here in the nature. I enjoy building. I enjoy working with my kids. I enjoy just being out here in general because it is peace. If you can listen. Super quiet. And it's away from the city. It's, you know, so you got to live the best life that we can get, right? So make sure you guys tune in every week. And if you're new and you're watching it to the end of this video, make sure you hit that sub button. Comment down below. Hey, be like, hey, I'm new here. And I'll give you guys a shout out. And so this is Mark with Living Lucky Off Grid. I will see you guys next week.